Our next speaker is Lesley Hollywood. She is the founder and executive director of Rally for Our Rights regarding the red flag law, House Bill 19-1177. Lesley Hollywood.
So I'm really honored to be here today. My name is Lesley Hollywood, and I am the founder of Rally for Our Rights Colorado. We are a nonpartisan, nonprofit gun rights advocacy organization dedicated to defending the Second Amendment and gun rights for all Americans. And that has included fighting against HB 19-1177, emergency risk protection orders, red flag bill here in Colorado. This bill is so horrendous, I could go on and on about it for hours. Actually, some in the audience have heard me do that, which is true. But I've got 3 minutes. So I'm going to start off by saying this. The concept of a red flag law is not foreign to people. The idea of keeping firearms out of the arms of dangerous individuals is not a foreign concept. Many people agree with that. But the concept of that law and the law we passed here in Colorado are not the same. This bill we passed here in Colorado that was signed by Governor Polis is absolutely horrendous. So I thought, what do I say today? How do I go over this bill? I'm just going to go over 3 minutes of talking points. Here's why this bill is so bad. HB 19-1177 is without a doubt the worst red flag law that has been passed in the United States. Here's why. What the media says is pretty simple. They say this law will allow a family member or law enforcement to petition the courts to remove the firearms from somebody who has been deemed to be a threat to themselves or others. Sounds pretty simple, right? Except for when you get into the actual language of this bill, you discover that family member actually means nearly anyone you have ever known. It includes ex-boyfriends, ex-girlfriends, ex-dating partners, ex-spouses, former roommates, current roommates, any family members such as step-parents, step-siblings, grandparents, and so on. I could go on and on forever about what a family member is defined as in this bill. That is absolutely terrifying. Here's how this works. Any of those people can pick up the phone and petition the court, file and say, this person has said that they are suicidal, or I heard them make this claim that they want to hurt somebody else. And then what happens is that within 24 hours, that's as simple, a phone call. That's all it takes is a phone call. Doesn't even cost any money. Everything in the court costs money except for the ERPO. It is $0. Even a temporary protection order costs $97. So it's pretty much legalized swatting. They make a phone call, they come in, and within 24 hours, the judge will do a hearing over the phone to determine whether or not that person should keep their firearms. If the judges will err on the side of caution, when those firearms are taken away, an order is issued, and a search warrant comes with that order. So the very first time the person who is being accused even realizes this is happening to them, they have a knock on the door, and it's the police officers with a search warrant and with this order ready to raid your home and take away your guns because of what your ex-dating partner might have said you may or may not have done. 14 days later is your first chance at due process. At that time, the judge will decide whether or not you should get your firearms back. If you don't, they will keep them for 364 days. During that time, you have one opportunity to ask the courts to get them back. Judges will always err on the side of caution. This bill is absolutely dangerous. This law is dangerous. We will continue to fight it as Rally for Our Rights, and if you need more information about it, I actually have an entire article here. I can be handing it out. And rallyforourrights.com is our website, so please join us there and learn more about this horrendous bill here in Colorado. Thank you.